selection slated to start next week. Still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, this is the same charge that Hannah Gutierrez was facing. It's going to be the same evidence, essentially, against Alec Baldwin. Why do you think a jury may come back with a different verdict, if you do?
I think they'll come back with the same verdict. I mean, obviously, it won't be the same jury. But if they don't come back with the same verdict, I think it'd be a mistake. It would be it would be incongruent with what they did with Hannah Gutierrez. And here's why I think that. I think that she should have been found guilty, and she did, of the charge. She wasn't charged with first-degree premeditated murder. She was charged with a misdemeanor, right? So I think that his culpability was even a step higher than hers. That's why I think they should come back with the same verdict. He was not just an actor on that movie set who was handed a gun. He was the guy in charge. He was the boss of everybody there. He made hiring and firing decisions. He was bankrolling the movie set. I mean, he was in charge. When you are in charge, if I show up to an office and I give my employees a gun and I say this is this is okay, or if I hire a person to give them guns and they hand me a gun and I grab a gun and I shoot somebody and there's a live round, nobody would dispute that I'm guilty of something, right? Because I'm in charge. I'm the boss. I'm the one who brought everybody together, and my coordination was negligent, right? So it should be no different here, right? The only thing going for him is he's not an attorney, because we know that we don't hold a shot at anything. But you know, he should be found guilty of this, because he's being charged with a very benign, low level. A person died in his care. And he was negligent. And I think the evidence his whole defense of, well, I did not fire the thing, anytime somebody uses an exotic defense and says, this thing that works all the time just didn't work the time I used it, you're swimming upstream, Julia.